I know Mr. Pai and family since I was a kid. So that's perhaps 40, 45 years. And so I've watched the company grow and the amount of good work they've done for the real estate in Bangalore city. So I've always been associated with them, and for me, any land deal or to buy any property is always been through Century. And I am truly happy to be associated with them, because this is a group which is very trustworthy, so you're very safe and secure with your investments. So that's a very important thing. I have always lived in this area all my life. That's about 60 years in Bangalore. And we had a home very close by, which I was converting into a commercial building since the area was becoming commercial. And then one Mr. Pike got to know about it. He said, we're coming up with apartments, so you're going to buy one here. So the first day when I saw this, I liked the locale and everything very much, so there was absolutely no second thoughts. So I was the first one to buy an apartment here. I would give credit to the youngsters who have come in, these young directors from Ravi to Ashwin and Mahesh Prabhu, Dev Patel. They've taken a lot of interest, you see. As far as infrastructure goes in this project, we have it all. From water treatment plant to sewage treatment plant, and then we have a good pool, we have a good sized gym and everything else. The housekeeping, the security. That way they are very interactive people. They are young, dynamic, and they are at the present, which is very important. Well, can't really think of staying anywhere else. So once we moved out of our home, which is on Hayes Road, which is just say 500 meters from here, and we were always on the lookout for an apartment in this area. That was a bungalow. So we said, let's move into an apartment. And then as soon as I just mentioned, Mr. Pai mentioned this to us, there was no question of thinking otherwise. In the interim, once I moved out from my Hayes Road and constructed a new building there, until this was ready, we stayed in a rented apartment for some time. It was wonderful because it's only my wife and I, and for our age, staying in an apartment with the facilities we get here is amazing. So it's in fact better staying in an apartment than in a bungalow because everything is taken care of. Everything is taken care of, as I said. You have security 24/7, your water supply, your backup power, and everything else. Everything is spick and span. And then you have in-house facilities like the gym, the pool. You have a squash court, sauna, steam, you name it, you have it. It's like a home in the heart of the city, but it's like a resort home. So that's where Century Ranata has it all, you see. I was very particular about the construction and how they went about it. So as I said, this place, it's a huge property. I think it's almost 50,000 square feet. And the way they have done up the common areas, we have a double basement, the corridors are very wide. So they have given utmost attention to all this. So this is what makes this place such a good destination to live in. You see, there are some wonderful apartments coming up in this area. You see, there's a wonderful area, Richmond Road, Residency Road, you have Lavelle Road, Grant Road, very upmarket. So these people have kept that in mind, and that's the way they have gone about constructing it, you see. Parking is, as you know, is in short supply, so they have given us enough car park, and each car park is wide enough to fit a nice size SUV. So they have looked into all this, which I appreciate very much, you see. And then the width of the corridors, etc., it's not cramped at all. Even the apartment sizes are very good. We have, big size apartments. So lucky for me, I could pick one up, and I'm here right now, staying here. Yeah, we had a lot of help from the in-house architects of Century Ranata, and I had my own architect too. Team 2, Vimal Narayan and his wife Sheila Narayan. And Sheila Narayan did our interiors. So it was designed by them because I have joined 2 apartments and made it one. So it was designed by Team 2 and approved by Century. And so we went about it the way my wife and I liked it, with a lot of help from the architects from both the sides. So the end product was, we are very happy about it. As I told you, I was the first buyer, and then we were supposed to move in. This project, yes, has taken a little while because this is a rocky area. They found a lot of rock, but then we were looking for its completion, and we've been here for almost a year and a half now. So from day one, everything has been very smooth, very enjoyable, and we look forward to more residents coming in and this community growing. You see. I mean, it'll be lucky people who could come in here and stay, because number of apartments are not too many. As I told you, they're good size apartments. In fact, I have been in touch with the directors. I was in touch with Mahesh Prabhu directly with all this, and we are very good friends, you see. So I could get all the information, then I could call up anybody from the office, from the architect Rebar to the entire team. So it was like a family thing going on, right? So it was, for me, it was not buying it from a builder. It was like my own construction. So I had no problem that way, really. For me, very smooth, Nandan, because my apartment, since I was the first resident here, the concentration of the entire team was in our apartment. So they did their best to hurry it up, and then we moved in here. So I had a very good time, really. My wife and I, we used to, towards the end, we used to come in here every day to check how things are going. A lot of help from my dear friends, Team 2 associates, Vimal Narayan and Sheila Narayan. And things were very good, really. Very good. And then a lot of our friends have visited us, and we have spent some very good evenings with them here. And luckily, it has come out very well. The design everybody has liked. So we're very happy about the whole experience. And it's been a very lucky apartment for us so far. And we are indeed blessed to be here in the heart of the city, which we always wanted to be, close to Bangalore Club, which I'm a very old member, so we frequent that club very much. I look forward to that. We have a lot of visitors coming in here to watch, to see the apartments, and they always drop into our place since we are the only residents. And I could name a few. We're having some very good residents who are moving in now, who have already bought the apartment. So as I told you, I look forward to people moving in and this community growing and being very fit and living as one big family. Our experience, we've been here 1.5 years, our experience has been very good. I give a huge credit to the facilities team, that is the security, the housekeeping, which has been spot on. It's very important to maintain cleanliness and to be secure in an environment like this in such a big building. And we being the only residents, it is even more important that the security is absolutely up to the mark. So everything is in place, and then we've been here a couple of months all alone during this COVID lockdown. We felt very secure, very safe, and there was a lot of protocol being maintained as far as hygiene is concerned. So a lot of credit to them. So we are blessed indeed. Mr. Dayanand Pai is a pioneer in real estate. Mr. Dayanand Pai, more than anything else, I would like to speak about his philanthropy, the amount of good social work he does. I guess his children have inculcated these wonderful habits from him. Ravi, Vidya, the amount of good work Vidya does, I'm sure you know about it. And apart from, they're running a village and running so many schools. If you go to the office, you'll have so many people waiting outside to meet Mr. Dayanand Pai for help. It's only for help, medical help, educational help, all sorts of help. So this is the man. He works all day, and he devotes so much time just to help others. So you have to have something in you, God's blessings in you to be able to help so much. So as far as philanthropy, I associate Mr. Dayanand Pai with philanthropy. He is a person I look up to, really. Yes, Mr. Dayanand Pai is very well known for his philanthropy. And I think this habit has been inculcated in his children. We all know the good work Ravi, we all know the good work Vidya does, always very helpful. If you notice, I do know they run a village and many schools, But if you notice when you go to the office, apart from his busy schedule, you have a lot of people waiting outside just for help, educational help, medical help, all sorts of help. So in his tight schedule during the day, he finds time to do this good work. So he's all about philanthropy. This is one big lesson for people like us to take it forward and learn from him. So I guess it's been a learning experience as how to help others from Mr. Dayanand Pai. It is resort living in the city perhaps. You have all the facilities of a resort, which you could only get 25-30 kilometers away, and in the heart of the city, next to all the clubs and all the shopping areas, absolutely in the CBD. What else does somebody want? And as I told you, the infrastructure, the young directors, the interest they take, they're so proactive with the customers, the people living here like I. So it's a wonderful experience. So I look forward to people coming in here, and we have some wonderful people who are going to move in very soon. Trust is a very big factor. The real estate market, see now it's COVID-19 has happened unfortunately. Before that also the real estate market had slowed down. So the only peace of mind is if you trust the builder. So as I said, they are totally trustworthy. This project has been delayed a little, but not once did it cross my mind about my money being safe. So what else can a customer expect? And they have delivered 100% what they had promised to, and even more. Do I recommend Century Renata? Yes, 100%. Do come and experience the living over here. It is indeed wonderful.